students. Good afternoon everyone. I hope you all are doing good and safe at your home. And also I hope you are learning your lessons well. Okay my dears, today also we are going to continue computer topic. Today we are going to see about WordPad. Okay. Today's topic is chapter 7 WordPad. Okay. Last year you have learned about Notepad, right? To write something or to save something as a record in your computer, you will use Notepad, right? This year you are going to see about WordPad. This is the advanced version of Notepad, okay? In Notepad you have limited number of options, right? But in case of WordPad, you are having more options, more features, okay? This WordPad also a text editing software only, like a Notepad, but WordPad has more text formatting features than Notepad. You can add colors to the document and text. You can also insert pictures in WordPad file. But in case of Notepad, you can't do some things, okay? Some of the options. Here formatting option is there. That formatting means that is how the text in the document looks, okay? Formatting refers to how the text in the document looks. You can format the text by changing its font, color, underlining it, or even highlighting it, okay? Okay, let's see how to open WordPad in your computer. First, you need to go and select all programs. From that, you need to select accessories. If you click accessories, you can see some more options. In that, you need to select WordPad option. If you click WordPad option, this window will be open, okay? This is the WordPad window. Let's see one by one. See, this is the WordPad window. In that, top of the WordPad window, you can see title bar, okay? See here, this is the title bar at the top of the WordPad window. It displays the document name, okay? Document name. And to the right of the title bar, 3 buttons are there. Minimize button is used to minimize the window, okay? Then restore down or maximize, that is used to make a window smaller in size. The same button is used to bring it back to the full size, okay? And the last thing is close button, okay? And here is a quick access toolbar. And at left corner WordPad button. And down of the title bar is ribbon, okay? And this is the document window. At the bottom you can see slider, okay? That is used to maximize or minimize the text type. And this is the ruler. The ruler is used to set text, pictures, tables and other graphics on a page, okay? Okay. Then let me explain one by one. I said about quick access toolbar, right? In that 3 options are generally it will be there 3 options. That means save, undo and redo options, okay? If you need to insert any other options in that quick access toolbar means you just go to any option. Here I have gone through that highlighter, right click, then select add to quick access toolbar, okay? If you need any options in that quick access toolbar means you can do like that. And take WordPad button. This button is present to the left of the home tab. It has options to create a new file, save file, and this is the area to change font style and all, okay? Here if you click here, you can select any font style, okay? And if you click here, you can select size of the text. And down bold option is there, italic option is there, underline option is there. Okay, this is the font color, that means text color. Next is the highlight color. Okay, and then some other options are given. These are called ribbon. Okay, the ribbon is present just below the title bar. It contains many tabs. Tabs are divided into groups, and groups contain commands. Okay, each group contains different commands. And this is the document window. Here you can type text. Okay, you can type anything like this. Okay, and down you can see slider option. If you move that cursor left side means it will maximize, the document window will maximize, right side means minimize. Okay, and see, this is the ruler. The ruler is used to set the text, pictures, tables and other graphics on a page. Okay, come, let's see how to work on the Wattpad. Okay, first you need to go to Wattpad and select new option. Then this kind of box will open. If you click save option, and the next tab will open. In that it will ask you for the place to save, and if you selected or if you click don't save option, it will close. You can start to type. Okay, either you can save at first or you can save at last. Okay, now I gonna type something here. It's one of the rhyme given in your book. Okay, I gonna type here. Okay, here I have typed 4 lines. First, we need to know how to select the text. If you need to select one line means keep the cursor to at the beginning of the line, click the left mouse button and drag it over the text. Then release the mouse. Okay. If you want to select many lines of the text, click the left mouse button and drag it diagonally over the text and then release it. Okay, you can drag it from up to down or down to up. Okay, if you keep your cursor at the beginning means you have to drag it diagonally down. If you keep the cursor at the bottom or down line means you need to drag it upward. Okay, diagonally upside. And now I have selected first line, and then go to font style. You can select any style. I have selected one, and select the file size. Here I have selected this number, and then bold B. You can click on B, then the letter will be in bold. Click on I, then letter will be in italic, that is slanting line. Click on U, that will be underlined. The first line will be underlined. Okay, and this is the font, that is text color. Select any color. This is a highlight color. Okay, you can select any color to highlight. If you don't want any highlight color, you can select none. Okay, down also I gonna select next 3 lines and select font color. You can change the font style. You can make it as bold, italic, underline, anything. If you want any changes on it, you can do. Okay, after that you go to Wattpad option, click save option. In that, first you need to select the document where you need to save that. Okay, you can select any file type to save your file. Okay, I have select desktop, and then I gonna type file name. Here I have typed as rhyme. Okay, and then down the text format will be there. Okay, format type, text type, and you click save option. Then the word option, WordPad, whatever you have typed in WordPad, that will be saved in your computer. Okay, you can open it for your future reference also. Okay, my dears, I hope you all understood about WordPad. You also just open your computer and just try once. Go through your textbook once, then you can get clear idea. Take your page number, textbook, take page number 77. Let's practice option is given. Okay, let's practice section is given. You just go through that, practice in your computer and send me snapshot. Okay. Okay, my dears, I hope you all understood clearly. If you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. I am ready to answer your questions. Practice it well. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.